Well, I did a story about this book. It's a picture book, and it shows you how a house is built from soup to nuts, from designing it, pouring a foundation, framing the walls, all this stuff. And it's all done by women contractors. All women builders built this house.
The publishers launched the book at Smith Memorial Playground in Fairmount Park.
They got a bunch of very young children, first graders, second graders, and they built stuff. They got the tools in their hands, they got the parts in their hands, they figured out how the bolts twist together and stuff, so they had a lot of fun. I read the book to them, and they really wanted to show young kids, particularly girls, that building is something you can do. You can grow up to be a contractor.
This isn't just a house in a book. It's a house in real life, in Utah. The Professional Women in Building Association decided to show people that women can build a house from the ground up, and they did.
They built a 3,200 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath house. It's currently on the market out in Utah right now. So one of the women that's featured in the book, her name is Christy Allen. She was the general contractor of the house that she built, and she is a third-generation contractor. And growing up, she never thought of herself as someone who could build things. She told me, no one ever said I couldn't, I just never saw anyone do it. And she said, I never thought I would love it. 3% of the on-site labor force is women. The overall labor force has been shrinking somewhat over the last 15 years, so let's encourage women to think of that as a career. You can do this stuff and you can make a career out of it, and let's seed that idea in young girls.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.